Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. Today I'm hanging out with YouTuber Hidden Beauty and Junior Lifestyle. I love to explore and look at this location, real hidden beauty. This is a well with a 70 feet drop, hidden and off the trail. Impressive. And here wandering in the hidden fountain of youth. I'm kidding. But it's so beautiful. Listening to real life stories, this is what I'm going to eat. Blue crab. Preparing the fresh catch of the day and listening to more scary stories about crocodile encounters. A lovely cookout right here. Stay tuned and hang out with us in the beautiful parish of Clarendon. Alright people, look who I have here today. Famous Jamaican hidden beauty. Finally, guys, I know they've been asking, you know.
Yeah.
It's like, Jessica, you need to link up with Jamaican hidden beauty.
Oh, yeah,
go over there. Yeah, man. You see. You guys
Finally,
said it, you guys asked it, and here we are. Yes.
Finally,
Yeah, man. So we're here. What are we doing today?
Alright, basically to the peeps. Alright, blessed love to all of you. Manners and respect, you know. I know me have to give you my love, you know. And big up to Jessica, yeah. She's a wonderful woman. She's beautiful, but here we make it beautiful because she's a wicked. She can't spear fish. Go, people, so when you meet up with woman like them here, where she versatile them way there. She's a blessed man. She can dive. She catch lobster, fish, anything you can think of. You see me? So she well versatile. I'm like that. You see me? So bless upon yourself and one love. And today, I'm telling you, it's a chilling day. Yeah. Today, we are gonna chill. Not really hunting today. We're there with some great people same way. You know? All our subscribers, them our virgin and brothers. When you don't know it go. Junior Lifestyle same way. You see me? Big up yourself same way, you see me? Yeah man, so all over there, we'll do a link up. So people, everybody's here, Junior Lifestyle, and we have Jamaican Hidden Beauty, and I will leave the link in the description below, so you have to check these guys out if you want some real wicked hunting. Yes, all of that. But today we just chill, you know. It's a nice, what is today? It's like a Sunday and we're hanging out and we're vibing, so that's the program of today. So stay tuned for some nice cooking. All right, catch you later.
Yeah, big man.
Alright, yes.
Alright people, catch the cat already. Yeah.
Damien catch me and Damien catch me this morning.
In here?
No, down so. Not this river. This river is protected, you understand? You're not supposed to go into this river.
Alright.
Yeah. So we go down further down to our next river.
The tarpon?
Come for a
kitchen can run good without
Dead.
Yeah, man. You want to kill him?
Yeah, for some time now that me give for do, you know, because I have to help do your stuff. Yeah, man. When me...
Alright people, we're here in, where? Alligator Pond? No! Milk River?
Close to Guts River.
Oh,
The right name for it is Cano Valley. Down here?
yeah.
The right name is Cano Valley. Yeah, man.
It's
So
located
we're at
close
Cano Valley right now.
Close to Milk River.
Milk River.
On your way.
On your way.
Yeah.
Alligator Pond.
So this road can carry you straight back to St. Elizabeth. Yeah.
But we're still in Clarendon now?
Manchester, we're in the borderline. In a borderline of Manchester
Yeah.
and Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Yeah.
People, yeah, that's what's up. Different parish today. You did all the work already?
Yeah, today is the eating part.
Today's the eating part.
Yeah.
Yo, me have to find on, you know, see what I do.
This is so cool.
You know, and come linking up and thing, but people go to work. People love it.
Yeah, nice.
Yo, Paul. Boss, I don't know.
Man.
Yeah, man.
One love, brother.
For real, man.
Alright.
Can't reel no more, no man. No, bro.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, man.
Just
real, man.
Love that. I love that star. Alright.
Cool, cool. Vibes, vibes. Alright. What's up?
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, tell the people who you're with.
I'm Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah, from
Yeah,
Hidden
man.
Beauty.
Yeah. Nice, nice. Everybody's here. Here. Oh, those mangroves. Alright, guys, these waters is no joke, and there's crocodiles in here. Infested.
This famous alligator hole, home of the manatee. This is where them usually feed the manatee. Them man, a crocodile themselves. Them man, DNG, crocodile themselves. Tell us, one of the greatest diver this ever.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What you
Yeah,
say?
man.
May I go feed now? You come?
Yeah.
You coming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm soon ready. Make sure you.
Yeah, she don't believe it.
Yeah, we just full of chat. No, I'm scared because all these croc stories.
Time.
I really like you.
No, they're real story, exactly.
Yeah.
They have me a little way now, but the water look nice too. Clear, look.
Water crystal clear.
Yeah.
Put on the glass and go on it that you see. You have a pin jack man, you see everything. Oh,
Cause
this
they
is the
do-
same thing. Same way you can turn and see all the bottom out there.
So this is protected area.
Yes, protected. You can't shoot down there, so you can't yeah, so this time.
Boating, fishing, swimming, burning of fish.
That is no young boy.
Them telling me all these croc stories. You say, what they say? Your croc food?
Yeah man, that one there. Alligator food.
Alligator food?
Yeah man, that one there. Alligator pity mouth as in bitter.
So you were diving?
Yeah?
Fish me now look.
And I look fish.
Ah, you never see him?
No sir, never see him still.
I just come up on him and grab him.
Grab you where?
Crossing back. Right crossing belly and his back.
Belly and back? So you was fully in his
I
mouth?
don't love that about it, because you know feel
You
good.
know, nice.
Oh,
That's why I don't love that about it.
you're not traumatized.
No man, you can't hold them man, you're mad. I mean, not taste good.
Yeah.
And he still a come back again.
I mean, no. Believe you.
Teeth is a grow.
So none no bite at the end.
None can bite me, man. None can bite me. Then I'll be authority. Then I get the power to do that.
People, this is crazy. So he got already bitten by alligator and Junior too, eh?
Yeah, man. About 2 times alligator bite of one.
2 times?
Yeah.
And he's still going into the water?
Fish have to catch.
Fish off again.
No man, they take it, fish have to catch.
Oh man, no, that's some next level bravery right there. Whoa, I'm impressed. This is crazy. People.
Sometimes I take crocodile bite, I reach this part, you know.
Further down.
Yeah, about 2 more river down. 3.
It was the night dive?
No, most of them are there.
Yeah.
You know, so all I bite when I know a deal bite, then get.
Because they always said crocodile hunt in the night.
In a night now, I never see nobody get on this trap by night. But if you want a deal.
Daytime. Whoa. This is some crazy, crazy stories. This, wow. I don't even know what to say, guys. People.
Yeah, we go try to.
No!
You know what I feel?
No! No!
No.
No! Right now I don't even want to be here. Right here. Maybe I'm even too close to the water. Why don't we just jump out right here? That
No,
makes
so
me
if I,
look.
that was one time.
One time I'm going to stand up there, so.
Yeah, one time I just come all the way right also.
One in the hand,
But then you want to just come right here. So you call him and he come right here.
And now them just
No,
move.
that one they that one must get dead or must fight on them.
Oh, because them territorial, right? They stay in a them area.
Yeah. Big man.
No, look here, I don't know about no river fish.
Eh?
I swear.
Oi, me say I'll turn blue.
Blue. Paul, I said, boy, I look at the island and if anything, you know, no.
Hold it. The man they're walking up.
The one I spring them out and many will feed the river.
Nice. Spring water. This looks like we're just in one different world. Spring water, people. Nice. Can't get better. It's almost like we're in a different. We just entered in a different world right here. No, nice. Sound of the river. Yeah. Nice, nice. Beautiful. I love it. Nice. Another spring.
This is another spring we feed the river same way. Whole it more spring about the place. Whole it. So I mean we feed. Feed the river. You're not really a mosquito bite.
Yeah, they love me too much. This is beautiful. So nice and calm.
You ready?
Yeah.
Do I go on in my pot there?
Oh wow!
Tell me how it look. Not tell no lie now?
No, it look nice.
I want on that, yeah?
Which one? Over there, don't.
Yeah, make
Out of fish and the chicken, which I fish a woman. Tell me truth, which one of them you love?
No man, fish.
Okay.
This, yeah. More for them, right? You know, I don't eat chicken, so my pot is, I don't know where my pot is. Hold on, this is chicken?
No, this is not chicken, this is a tarpon. This is curry tarpon. So what we do now, we chop it up. Remember, you know, it's a big fish. And the best way to get a better eat of it is to chop it up and curry it. Because tarpon is not a fish that eat comfortable with him. Like if you stew it, you don't get a good eat. The best way to get a good eat is either French fry or curry.
Curry.
Yeah, you cut it up fine like you're cutting up chicken. And
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it look like chicken.
Yeah.
Look while in checks I chicken this.
Yes, I said that's not my pot.
smells good. I don't even eat chicken, but it smells good.
You have wild fish in my pot.
Shoot them master, I mean shoot him master. See it there? See it, the guys? So I'm gonna roast up a blue crab here, you know? Yeah man. I don't know. I clear them big and fat. Okay. Sharp man, you get tab out in hole. Right? Like that. Layak ya. Crab leg.
Eh, how it is?
Crab leg, naturally.
Naturally.
No season, nothing. I mean, I tell you, say it tastes wonderful. Just wonderful. The roast right, good. Just have to just take off the shell. Meat that, yeah. Good cut that.
So the natural crab, just roast right there. Alright.
Yo, me a goat, they go sit down.
What is a better piece? Beautiful.
Crab leg.
I like it natural.
Best way always. As a matter of fact, when I get...
That's all.
Not.
What? Man. Eh? A sharp man catch it can't come for me. You know? Yeah, man, yeah, bad. I want a meal, you know? I don't know. Female one broth. Okay, guys. Leg them one, you know?
Judge, big up yourself up to me, boy.
Some people don't eat this, I mean, not do that. On that. Perfect. No, no take out man. Nah, eat that. They see that grung. I see it in a shell. See that? Yes, I want to taste the legs. Alright, see it, yeah?
I think I prefer the lips.
No, go and feed punish too. Huh? Why?
Side. We go on the right hand side and look in a piece of jam there. We walk the same place, come back out.
That time we on the left hand side now.
Well, I don't know. We walk, no. Okay, the same place, come back down, man. We come up on the left hand side, same place. We come out to open, turn, and go on the right hand side now. Eh? No.
No. Somebody give bad direction.
Him, I give bad direction.
Alright, tell me now. Stop.
We coming down. Now one thing me now. Is when me a come down, me a come down back from my left hand side, so me go from my right hand side.
So what I do is take
Want to throw that in the
Want to train it that.
Take case him up and water.
So anyway, me go down. I come back down on my left hand side. Alright, I'm show you. When you have hope, you have one piece of, see first block here, that's first block. See the interval here, so you go up. One jog the right here, so you go up on your right hand side. When you come down on your left hand side. When I come down, I come so and turn back and go in a jog when they there so. So when me look, when me look up for snook them now. When me look up for snook them, me no snook. So same time I see one light, I shine for me, I see my shining light for me. I start following light. You see me following light. You know when I go end up? Down a hill.
Right? They're going to show you how you're
Yes.
But
the man should have learned me do what I do.
When we show it, find the light on him, we say, so we are going. He fly past me.
No, when you do something, I say you.
Then no come right on me. You come right on me, come down.
You did up in and say, go so.
He comes. Then if me I show you light, I show you.
Me see you just shine light for me when me come to you, me just pass you.
In the over this, the pint light on me.
Well, I know I solve this right now. Well, I know.
He come to me.
This can solve this right now.
And then me point and say, so we pick up.
Hello, this can solve. Hello, I. This solve easy right now.
You see when you come out there, hold up head and walk in front of you and shoot up head. Me laugh, I can't tell you say east, west, north or south. Me no know which way me there.
You lost already in that bush. I mean, I ball out it. Me say, when me come up here, say, me not dead in there. Me not dead in there. Them you lost me already in there.
No. Yeah, I lost a man.
Show me again how you find out the direction. That was interesting.
Yeah, man, I go down your water.
Yeah.
And sometimes the fish then come around and circle you. When you circle, you don't know which part you go. So now you go down on the bottom and you rake up the dirt. And the direction where the water run go, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the way, yeah? Yeah.
People? Yes. You get those stories, man. That's how you do it. That's interesting.
My water and just swim and go on.
No, but me tell the man, which part we have to go? Which part we have to go?
So me just focus. Just look on the dirt and I swim and say, God.
Oh wait, why you panic? Because
no,
the light...
he must say here I don't panic.
The here I don't
panic.
He must say we last and he prefer what?
No, you was with the tank.
Yes. Tank back.
He say we last.
You can't come out.
And you run out of air.
You can't come out. A place like all them places you are going.
I like my tell you have enough here night.
You will like you know, me show you. I say it tick up on the water. So you can't penetrate through it. Even if you come and so, you can't tear some part of it. You see me? So it there underneath.
So me say me dead now. Me say God go kill myself.
Story time, people. Story time.
Look at that.
Oi.
Ooh.
Yeah, man, up that's a nice view, you know. A nice view, you know. Very pretty water, but very dangerous, you know.
That's what they say sometimes. Pretty things are dangerous.
But
go lionfish pretty.
Yeah, and look at them. Look what they can do. You.
Right? Same here, people. Such a beautiful place, but infested with crocs. Yes. Maybe I'll see one to show you guys. I'm not sure.
Remember, the manatees them there too. So
I would love. Imagine if one would have just passed through.
You know?
That would have nice.
Water, you know, all type of fish, you know. You have snook. Look there, up on a big hole.
Yeah, you see him.
Yeah, man, he might go down in a mud. Watch him go down.
No. Whoa, people, this is crazy. Oh my God. So there is an access point from down there? I mean, I would.
Tempting, yo, it's tempting,
Oh my God.
Oh, me? Although I can swim and climb up on there with the boat. No, sir. Me I stay for it.
You know, can't fly, man.
You know your name? Godwell. The ramp with God sitting them. Night and tumble on you know, so you know live for live, man.
Yeah, man.
You're dead.
Me can't boy come here and I'm good on him. Me not good on him, brother. They go cut.
Right.
Yo, this is no bottom in the DNG.
No, then they carry you, God.
Look at these people out just like this.
Yeah, man, this
This-
is no bottom.
Big well.
No bottom. I feel like this leads straight to the sea.
I want to know, say, walk.
Wow. Whoopee. One time, you know, you can't come here, so come lean on the tree. You know. The people them chop around the tree root. Cut through, you come lean on it, so.
Aye!
Don't make them do it.
You don't forget your bath in there. No, me not me. You know, you're stifle. Mine. Wow. You're bad, man. You hear that?
Deep. Put you.
Go see how much alligator down here.
No.
Can I live in that?
Yeah. One in there.
Do you want to know?
Yeah, man, yeah, you see, man. One in there, man.
Scary though.
Yes.
Love it.
Scary for you, man.
You not your I see me no angry, you not your
Use restroom and just go to the side.
There you go, there.
Yeah, you that.
Yo.
Of course it's deep.
That nah, no bad.
Not true.
It's an air, sorry.
Here
Deep,
then.
man.
Sound like an ocean, a deep ocean.
And it water dead.
You walk anyway, man. I'm bushman.
That's about this.
Thanks.
Look
Me a
at these
bushman.
people. This is impressive. Oh my God.
God's
It's
will.
so beautiful. But also, don't drop.
God will, you know.
Right?
You know, I look under this.
There you go.
Oh,
Say BSc. Say
this is amazing. Guys, would you expect, look here, nothing. Left, right, nothing. And then this big, deep, I don't know what. Well, just
Godwell.
there. Godwell. Godwell. See? Mm-hmm. You see the mosquitoes? They're all over me. Run. But it was well worth it. People, yes. So we're here. Who would have thought? Getting off the main road, walk up there, and you have Godwell. A well which is so deep that nobody knows anything about it. People get lost there already, right? Gone dive in there, never came back.
Never come out back.
Right, we go back to the food.
No, him no.
You cook down, children. No, but that way you don't waste time.
Looks festive. Wow.
That's the difference right there.
Yeah.
Yes, my people, what you are going when I get the rice start out, you know? Hey, you're not going to need the flour?
Him spoon jam. That he used to.
Yeah, please and thanks.
Me?
Yeah,
Me you want to need the
yeah,
phone?
alright. Mr. Can I do something for you?
Yeah.
I was just running a joke. I'm so sorry.
Me and him never can agree. No.
Want meat? You get it meat or want fish? You chat too much, man. You're not here.
Alright, for you.
Okay, man. I want need flour and spoil it. They say look like chicken.
Sure, which one was it?
That I tilapia. Perch, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. So we have tilapia here and we have the famous tarpon here. Yeah, so let's see what's up. Curried. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's nice. Come have some. Oh, sorry.
Nice food, you know.
Very much so.
Yeah, man.
This tastes nice, man. See my view here. Pretty. That's where the name is coming from. Hidden Beauty.
Yeah. Definitely, you know. Paul gone in a tune down up on the roots and all, you know. Yeah, man. Gone circle up the sleep. Yeah, man, before gone on the roots and all. I first Paul look at me see where we are both. Manager Ford, my brother. Manager Ford. Although if you're Ford, yeah.
Supposed to be alright.
Yeah, alright. I still
Water. This is so nice. Also the jaguar,
Yeah.
the mullet,
Yeah, jaguar,
tilapia.
mullet, sunuk.
Which one your favorite?
My favorite right now. I don't really have a favorite, you know.
Like all of them?
I like all of them, you know. Just one fish, me not to really love. And I fish with them call. When they call a fish again, Paul, when you catch a sea. Chub, I don't like chub. I don't love it. No, so that fish the ring.
The clear winner between the tarpon and the tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Tilapia. Between the tilapia and the tarpon. Tilapia. Much better. Yeah. This one, take it home. Yes, people, that was nice. A lovely day right here at Alligator Hole. Nice. I have never heard of this place. Very, very cool. And a lot of stories about crocodiles. So this was definitely the story time right here. Nice, a lovely day. Belly full, life good. Yes, that was delicious. All right. Yeah, man, take care. This is it. This was a nice, lovely cookout. Next time we go hunting.
Yes, no, man.
This time I wasn't part of the hunting. We were just cooking, so that was nice. Yeah. But next time look out for the catch and cook. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right.
And remember, no peeps, just subscribe, share, and like, and leave on a comment same way.
Yes.
See it.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Nice. We're out. Choo.